Yo, made a buffalo chicken pizza the other day, and it was pretty good. And I kind of want to share that with everybody. But here's what I made it with. Yo, let's see how that looks. Pretty good there. Oh yeah, pretty good there. So we're gonna go here. Bah. Bah. We're gonna put in some buffalo sauce. What's up? Alright, reset. Let's go. Nice and easy. Oh, let's get energy up. Yeah, for sure. Yo, made a buffalo chicken pizza the other day. It was pretty freaking good, so I kind of want to share with everybody and kind of show you how I made it and what everything I used. So first, of course, made it with some grilled chicken, some cheese. Hey, put some pepperonis on it, pizza sauce. You know what I mean? So, and these thin pizza crust. You know what I mean? So. I'll show you how to put it together. Let's go. Yo, I'll take one of these and put it on here because I'm gonna put it in the microwave for a little bit because I'm not gonna put it in the oven. I'm not gonna make it in the oven. I'm gonna make it on the pan on the stove. So, but I'm gonna cut it in half and just heat it up a little bit. You know? So, right half. All right. Then I'm gonna put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds so I'm just gonna get it soft a little bit. So, let's go. Also, I'm gonna do probably like 7 ounces, probably 8. I'm probably the other one I made a little too heavy, so we'll probably just do two servings of be, yeah, 6 ounces. We're doing 6 ounces. So here we go. I'm gonna scale it out. And again, I'm gonna do 6 ounces. So I'm gonna put it in the microwave, heat it up. Then I'm gonna take it back out the microwave. Then I'm gonna dice it up, cut up a little bit more, and then put some buffalo sauce on it and put it back in the microwave. So. Now that we're gonna be we're gonna get the pan hot and ready and put the pizza on. Let's go. So see how we're gonna go with because it's frozen, right? So it's gonna be a little heavier, of course. But yeah, that's how much we're gonna do. Put in the microwave super hot. Just let it start going. So see, nice and warm. It's warm. And put this on here. All right. I didn't have anything ready. Should have everything ready. Can you see right there? And just spread it however you want it. I like a lot of it everywhere, so yeah. Alright. Rock and roll, baby. There's no rules to this, it's your rules, okay? All you. Yo, sheesh. Let's go. All the time we're cooking our chicken. Rockin' and rollin', baby. Let's go. Shit, I got it ready. You know, first layer. Put some cheese on it, right? But it's pretty cooked already. Yep. So look, we got our chicken. Hey, nice and easy. We heat it up over here, put it on low. So we're gonna do here. Just gonna cut them up. See? Cut up smaller. Okay, now from here to here, nice and warm. Put the camera as you can see. One at a time though, because we gotta cover it. Nice and easy. And cover it up. And just wait. Buffalo chicken pizza, baby. Let's go. Yo, there you go. See? 5 to 6 minutes maybe. Let it get crispy on the bottom. That was on the pan. Nice and easy, baby. Hey, you made it your way. Let's go. Yo, here we go. See what we got, baby. Again, the second time I made this, so. See, I know how to eat like a fat boy. Because I used to be a fat boy. The whole trick is, I learn what works for you. And this is pretty good. I don't feel too heavy. Doesn't make me bloat or anything. It's pretty good on me. So, the next one I'll eat later. But, hey, good stuff. Let's go. Stay tuned.